how to handle menus. So a lot of menus we have, right, in the, so you can see, even here also you have menus. You can write this exercise, okay? So here you have, so what is you need to do? You mouse over on music, then rock, then you click on any one. Okay, this is the exercise for you. You practice this. Write and send me this code handling the menus. I'll show you other one. So you go to this and you will get this, okay? You need to, if this is available, you click on this, then you will land here. Then I'm going to mouse over on electronics, then laptop, laptops, I think laptop I'm taking, or yeah, laptop I'm taking. And then I'm selecting the laptops, okay? So these are multiple menus, no? So how to handle that? So this is what the code we are going to write. So you should not click on these electronics, okay? So how to do that? Let's go and see this. So remaining code is fixed here. This doesn't change, okay? Here code is not going to change anything. And you can see that just we are opening the URL and so waiting for the page title, accepting the page title. If driver dot find element by dot XPath, this one, that cross icon is displayed, then I'm so clicking on that. See, one more I'm so waiting. WebDriver utils dot highlight element. So I'm highlighting that cross icon. Then highlight after highlighting, I'm clicking on that cross icon in the login pop-up. That's what I'm doing here. So condition I'm putting, please understand why we put a condition. Sometimes it may not come, right? That's why you're putting a condition. You're checking first. So whether it is available or not. So that is the thing. Okay. Yes, now if you see here, create actions class, new actions of driver. So web element, first electronics menu I'm identifying. So this electronics menu I'm identifying. So driver dot find element by dot XPath, that you write XPath. So electronics menu. Okay, then laptop and desktop we are identifying next submenu. So, but here, if you observe here, first I'm highlighting this electronics menu, main menu. And so web element, see act dot move to element electronics menu dot perform electronics menu dot perform method. And so web element, laptop and desktop submenu option, we are identifying the submenu option. with a starts with a text function, laptop and desktop. Then, so once you mouse over, again you need to wait for that. Wait for the visibility of laptop and desktop submenu, and then highlight the element. Then move to element. Move to this. See, always you are going to use move to element method while handling the menus. So while handling the menus. So that's the move to element. So mainly used method for handling the menus. So web element, laptop submenu. The final one is I am identifying, wait for the visibility of that laptop submenu, then highlight it, then click on the final one. You click on the final one. Okay. So I'm going to save JavaScript click. Normal click I'm not using. Save JavaScript click I'm using. You can use a normal click also if you want. So I'm exploring the JavaScript methods all here. Highlight element, save JavaScript click, all those methods. That's it. Then verifying the page title. So laptop's page title must be there. Okay. So this is the code. Let's go and handle this class, add this class to our suite file. So every class you need to add here. So otherwise, so it won't recognize by default, right? So you have to add stng programs dot this one. So you have to, I don't want to run these two classes. What I will do, I'll just comment out them. Okay. See, this is how to comment XML tags. So then run this. Only that test case will run. Unnecessary waste of time. That's why. See, it's highlighted, right? Post, then electronics highlighted. It will mouse over. See, laptop, desktop, laptops. That's a so this is how to handle menus. Okay. Any questions?
No.
So that's the one program. And one more program, let me see. All action methods. So different action methods, how to use. Let's finish this also today. Basically, we are using all actions class methods. So I'm just taking linkedin.com. So you have already browser, opening the browser and closing the browser with the before class and after class. So then you see this, just launch the URL. So wait for that, accept that. Then, so identify the sign-in link, okay? And then if sign-in link is displayed and is enabled, you click on that, okay? If it is enabled and you click on that. Okay, so web element. So you identify the username edit box, private dot find element by dot ID username, and so I'm clearing first. So how to clear the content? With a clear method, element dot clear method. So then I'm creating object for actions class, action, say composite action, act dot this object reference dot click. I'm clicking on the username edit box first. Then I'm pressing shift key on this edit box. What we are doing? Pressing shift key on the username edit box. Then I'm typing the Selenium on this edit box. Then I'm releasing shift key. Now what will happen? Can you tell me here? What will happen there?
It will select the edit box.
Send keys, what it will do, madam?
It will type
Type the Selenium in the edit box. Send key will type
uppercase letters.
So basically, why it will, I am giving lowercase, right? Why it will
It
type?
will come.
I'm giving lowercase, right? Yeah, we pressed the shift key here.
Shift key.
Oh, okay, it will.
So then you are typing with the send keys method. Then obviously what will happen? It will type in the uppercase letter. So then you are releasing the shift key. Your work is done. You are releasing the shift key with the key up.
Okay.
Then I'm double clicking, so it will select again. Then I'm right clicking on that element with the context click. Then build it. All these actions you build and store in this composite action variable. On that composite action, you call the perform method. So build method will trigger all these actions. Perform method will finish all those actions. That's how it is going to happen. Okay. So let's call this method in the so. That's it. So just right click, run as test ng test. Sometimes it's not loading. See, that's it. Okay. So let's run again. So it didn't load first time. The page hasn't loaded. This time it loaded. Okay, fine. So
Here you are just showing the right click that method. That's all. We are not doing any action on that. Are we doing any action?
we are not doing anything. Just right click. Then if you want, you can copy, you can paste all those things. That right, how to copy, control, so that all I have given examples here. Go and practice here. In our blog, very nicely I have given everything. How to copy, paste, and so many things you can find out in the program. Programs I have given, direct programs, and practice them. Go to actions. So you have all the programs here with the scenario, first scenario and steps I have given. Second scenario. Third scenario. Fourth scenario. So next scenario. See this. Open link in new tab, new window using keys, sort method. Tomorrow I'll cover these things, okay? So, but highlight type without sending, we have seen already now. See, handling web tables, I'm going to explain that later. Select date from calendar. These are the things. See, convert text to uppercase. See, this is the code I have given. All the code is available readily here. So practice all this. See, refresh the page. So how can you do? Keys.F5 how to press. Keys.control, keys.F5 we are using. Copy paste. How to do that? So many actions I did here. Go and see one by one programs, okay? That will help you. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. When I'm practicing JPK demo test, yesterday, we are writing one-time code in a before class and after class. So it will run at the starting and after completing all tests. And
Yeah.
that's it.
Right, you can write
Yeah,
that also.
Yeah. When I run on directly run as JIN test, it will showing all pass failure 0. But when I run on shoot file, testing the XML file, I'm getting errors. Again, I changed that code to before class. What I written that code, I copied and pasted in before method. Then I'm not getting errors.
You have to understand the functional flow first. How you want it. Right, you need to understand the flow, mainly understanding the functional flow. So what you are doing manually, you should understand first. That's the more important. Then you go for automation. Without understanding, if you go coding, it won't work.
Okay, sir. I will check it today once.
Manually, what you are doing, same you replicate there. Many people, what they will do, they will jump onto automation without understanding functionality. What you will do there?
Yeah.
First, functional flow understanding is the crucial. Manual testing, you should be thorough. Then you can think easily on the automation. Okay? Manual testing is not there, you're zero in the automation. You're zero. You cannot write effective automation test case without manual testing.
And again, while using asset classes, I got strikeouts there. It's not fun. Again, I Google it and I saw Stack Overflow. Then you use the JUnit dot asset instead. You have to use instead of that org dot.
That's what, right? That's what we are doing, right? And test ng is different.
At that time,